Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i and today I'm going to show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So let's get started. So for the first way to track the steps is to do it on the watch face. Basically some of the watch faces display the step counter. For example, this one does. If yours isn't, you can always open the watch face menu, scroll through the list, look for something that displays the step counter. Come on. Let's see. This one doesn't. Oh, my bad. Maybe this one? No. This one does, I believe. So we can apply it. And here we have the step counter. Another way to check these steps is to swipe left on the home screen to open the shortcuts menu. And here one of the shortcuts will be workout. And here we have steps. You can also tap on this icon right here to open the activity record. And again, we have the step graph, step counter. And if you scroll down, you have even graph for steps right here. And the last way to check the step counter is to use the phone application, the HONOR Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. You can open it. In the app, you should see the health page. On it, you have the step counter right here, and you can tap on it. And here we can select steps. And you have daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly progression. So you can track the whole year if you want to. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.